SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost graph, which in a real sense is very huge. SLP truly faces obstruction at $0.003 in an unobtrusive manner. Smooth Love Elixir certainly is as of now esteemed at $0.003. Backing for the in a real sense, bears fundamentally has been laid out at $0.003. 23 December 2023. In this video we will for the most part walk you through beautiful Smooth Love Mixture cost examination for now or for essentially 1 week from now and fundamentally attempt to answer these much of the time, for the most part clarified some things, facts, what in a real sense is momentary cost expectation for by and large Smooth Love Mixture. Truly is SLP a sort of wise interest in an unpretentious manner. Smooth Love Mixture support and opposition levels and so on, or so they generally thought. Yet, prior to jumping fundamentally profound into the SLP specialized examination, in a real sense let us generally discuss the truly current economic situations in an especially significant manner. Market examination over the last 24 hours, there in a real sense, was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole digital currency market to $1,659,303,959,381, which especially is genuinely huge. The sort of absolute exchanging volume for the most part remains at $54,944,631,622, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin shares 51.48% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every way that really matters has a strength of 16.33% in a genuinely significant manner. Which most certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,635.05 level after a decay of 0.23%, exhibiting how yet prior to jumping truly profound into the SLP specialized examination, by and large, let us sort of discuss the truly current economic situations in a huge manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum sort of has seen a value reduction of 0.74%, coming to $2,291.94 during the past 24 hours, showing how which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,635.05 level after a decay of 0.23%, exhibiting how yet prior to plunging certainly profound into the SLP specialized examination. Explicitly let us most certainly discuss the really current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $95.95, following a value change of 4.13% inside a similar time span in an essentially huge manner. BNB, the by and large local coin of BNB, basically is somewhere near 0.4 and presently exchanging at $268.25. Which certainly shows that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum by and large, has seen a value lessening of 0.74%, coming to $2,291.94 during the past 24 hours. Exhibiting how which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,635.05 level after a decay of 0.23%, showing how yet prior to jumping certainly profound into the SLP specialized examination, generally let us in a real sense discuss the kind of current economic situations in a huge manner. Moreover, XRP came to 62 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.81% in esteem, which sort of is very critical. These occasions sort of show that the market fundamentally is going in a really descending bearing for especially momentary in a kind of significant manner. Right now, an especially broad genuinely regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, so Smooth Love Mixture support and obstruction levels and so on, which really is very critical. Smooth Love Mixture backing and opposition backing and obstruction basically are significant specialized markers used to generally recognize genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in an unpretentious way. Support truly is a level at which purchasers truly become in every practical sense all the more truly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any really further in a fundamentally significant manner. Similarly, obstruction explicitly is a level at which merchants generally become move truly dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they explicitly thought. Following explicitly are the help and opposition levels of exceptionally Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, truly Smooth Love Elixir execution. The kind of day-to-day graph of fundamentally Smooth Love Mixture truly shows that the SLP cost essentially has an in every practical sense descending development with a 1.18% reduction in by and large beyond 24 hours. exhibiting how smooth love mixture certainly is by and by esteemed at $0.003. Backing for the truly bears in a real sense has been laid out at $0.003. 23 December 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through really smooth love mixture cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and in a real sense attempt to answer these much of the time, generally got clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what especially is most certainly transient cost expectation for pretty smooth love mixture, for the most part is SLP in all things considered. Wise speculation, in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. The value worth of the genuinely smooth love elixir, SLP, coin sort of is remaining at $0.003, with market capitalization $137,276,313 United States dollars, or so they especially thought. SLP cost changes 4.08% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume by and large is floating around $10,395,115 United States dollars. Further appearance how while distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $95.95, following a value change of 4.13% inside a similar time span, which really is very huge. Smooth love mixture value examination SLP cost investigation for 23 December 2023 inside a by and large everyday time period, especially made sense of beneath, in a kind of enormous manner. We utilize commonly relative strength index RSI, moving kind of normal union and disparity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints including commonly straightforward moving essentially normal, SMA, and outstanding moving commonly normal, EMA, to generally examine the future development of the really smooth love mixture in a genuinely significant manner. The kind of relative strength list, RSI, shows that the SLP coin basically is close oversold zone, as RSI really is at 34 in an unobtrusive manner. The MACD line generally is remaining underneath of the fundamentally signal line after a hybrid, so market examination over the last 24 hours, there generally was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the for the most part whole digital money market to $1,659,3,959,381, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Smooth love elixir financial backers need to really sit tight for any directional change over the especially everyday diagram, which basically shows that following fundamentally are the help and opposition levels of pretty smooth love mixture, SLP, certainly smooth love mixture execution. The essentially day-to-day graph of especially smooth love elixir generally shows that the SLP cost fundamentally has a really descending development with a 1.18% decline in every practical sense, recent hours, exhibiting how smooth love elixir basically is, as of now esteemed at $0.003. Backing for the in a real sense, bears most certainly has been laid out at $0.003. 23 December 2023. In this video we will sort